So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this face look, and I also did a tutorial on this eye look. I believe it'll be uploaded after this tutorial, so if I've already uploaded it, it will be in the description box below. But if you would like to see how I got this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking the NYX Angel Veil just to prime my skin. Okay, so my primer is all buffed in, and now I'm going to go in with this, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Buff Bisque. And I'm just going to apply this to my face and buff it in with my Eco Tools sponge. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 10 and just put this all over my blemishes. And I'm going to buff that out with my Eco Tools sponge as well. I'm going to take this Real Techniques 201 pointed crease brush with my NYX Dark Circle Corrector under my eyes. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques sponge. I'm going to take my number 7 Radiant Glow Concealer in shade 10 and put that under my eyes. And I'll buff it out with my Real Techniques sponge. Now I'm going to take this yellow banana powder. This is from a Wet n Wild duo with this Be Small flat face angled brush and put it under my eyes. I'm going to take this Rimmel Stay Matte powder in Silky Beige with this Real Techniques powder brush and set the rest of my face. Okay, next I'm going to go into this e.l.f. bronzer. It's in the St. Lucia duo. There used to be a blush right here, but I didn't like it, so I just took it out and replaced it with a different bronzer. But I'm going to take this bronzer on my Morphe R3 brush. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. blush palette with this Up and Up blush brush, and I'm going to mix these two shades right here and apply it to my cheeks. I'm going to take the e.l.f. illuminating palette, this yellow shade right here, with a Marc Avon Burfan brush. Now that I am all glowing, I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. I'm going to take this e.l.f. duo brush and this Avon Perfect Eyebrow Styling duo in soft brown and fill in my eyebrows off camera. Okay, now I'm going to use this CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. So to finish off this look, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in Toasted Almond. also going to line my waterline with this white Palladio eyeliner. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button if you want to be notified every time I upload. And if you have any videos you would like to see from me, please comment them down below and I will do my best to do those for you. So I will see you next time on this channel. Bye!